This Tesla Model S just hit 1 million miles in Germany, and its battery still works. While conventional wisdom says gas cars dominate longevity, the data tells a completely different story about these million-mile electric cars, proving that EVs might outlast gas engines in ways we never expected.
Hans-Jörg von Gemmingen-Hornberg just pushed his Tesla Model S past 1 million miles. His battery, still functional, his motor, still running. Meanwhile, the average gas car gets considered high mileage at 200,000 miles, typically requiring major engine or transmission work well before hitting even 500,000. What's really fascinating about this million-mile Tesla is that it's not an isolated case. It's the beginning of a trend that's rewriting everything we thought we knew about vehicle longevity. Electric motors have just two moving parts. Your average 4-cylinder gas engine, at least 40 moving parts, with some vehicles containing over 2,000 moving components between the engine and drivetrain. This isn't just a difference in engineering, it's a fundamental shift in how long cars can actually last. The math is startling. Tesla batteries are designed to last between 300,000 and 500,000 miles. That's 10 to 20 years for the typical driver. Consumer Reports estimates that electric motors themselves can push upwards of 400,000 miles. Compare that to gas engines, which typically need major rebuilds or replacements between 150,000 and 200,000 miles.
But raw numbers don't tell the complete story. The real question isn't just whether electric cars can hit 500,000 miles, it's whether they can do it without the constant repairs that plague high-mileage gas vehicles.
Let's examine what actually breaks down in each type of vehicle. Gas cars require oil changes every few thousand miles. They need timing belt replacements, exhaust system repairs, transmission maintenance, and cooling system overhauls. These aren't occasional inconveniences. They're inevitable maintenance cycles that compound as mileage increases. Electric vehicles skip almost all of this. No oil changes, no timing belts, no exhaust systems. Even the brakes last longer because regenerative braking handles most of the stopping power, extending brake pad life dramatically. The maintenance cost difference is staggering. EVs average about 6 cents per mile in maintenance, while gas cars hit 10 cents per mile over their lifetime. That translates to real money. Over 200,000 miles, EV owners save approximately $8,000 in maintenance costs compared to gas car owners. Scale that to 500,000 miles, and you're looking at savings of $20,000 or more, even accounting for potential battery replacement. Speaking of battery replacement, this is where critics often attack EV longevity claims. Battery replacement costs range from $5,000 to $20,000, with Tesla replacements potentially hitting $22,000 outside warranty coverage. But here's the crucial context most people miss. Battery degradation is much slower than originally predicted, particularly with newer LFP chemistry batteries. Geotab's 2025 study of over 22,000 electric vehicles revealed an average battery degradation rate of just 2.3% per year. That means after 8 years, the average EV battery still retains over 81% of its original SOH, state of health. After 13 years, batteries typically maintain 75% capacity, still perfectly functional for daily driving. Recurrent Auto's independent data confirms similar patterns, with Tesla Model 3 batteries showing exceptional longevity. The degradation rate varies significantly based on how you charge and battery chemistry type. Vehicles with LFP, lithium iron phosphate, batteries experience slower degradation than NMC chemistry packs, while cars relying heavily on DC fast charging above 100 kilowatts experience faster degradation, averaging up to 3% per year. But cars primarily using level 2 home charging see degradation rates as low as 1.5% annually. This creates an interesting paradox. The Tesla Model Y owner, who hit 180,000 miles in just 2 years, charging twice daily on superchargers, still maintains 90% battery health. Aggressive driving patterns that would destroy a gas engine actually help EV batteries last longer, contrary to what battery researchers initially expected. Stanford researchers discovered that real-world driving with frequent acceleration, regenerative braking, and rest periods helps batteries maintain capacity better than controlled testing suggested. The owner of that high-mileage Model Y, original battery, original motors, even original brake pads. But we can't ignore the reliability concerns. J.D. Power's 2024 study found that battery electric vehicles experience more problems than gas vehicles. However, their 2025 data shows dramatic improvement, with EVs showing a 33 problems per 100 vehicles year-over-year improvement. nearly matching gas cars in reliability. The EV segment demonstrates the most rapid reliability improvements, with a 12% improvement in reliability for each successive production year. Gas and diesel vehicles, just 6.7% and 1.9% improvement respectively. This rapid improvement reflects manufacturing maturity. Around 75% of EVs on the road were sold in 2023 or later, meaning most reliability data skews toward newer vehicles that haven't had time to develop age-related issues. The charging infrastructure is improving alongside vehicle reliability. Public EV charger performance reached an 84% success rate in early 2025, up from 80% in 2024. Failed charging sessions dropped from 20% in 2021 to just 16% today. Meanwhile, gas cars are proving they can also achieve extreme mileage with proper maintenance. Joe Locicero's 1990 Honda Accord hit 1 million miles with original engine and transmission. Irvin Gordon's 1966 Volvo 180OS exceeded 3 million miles before his death, becoming a Guinness World Record holder. The difference is maintenance intensity. These high-mileage gas cars required meticulous care, regular rebuilds, and countless repairs. Locicero's Honda needed constant attention to reach its milestone. Gordon's Volvo required multiple engine overhauls and transmission rebuilds. Vic Shepard's Toyota Tundra hit 1 million miles in just 8 years, driving over 125,000 miles annually between his home state and North Dakota. Toyota was so impressed, they gave him a brand new Tundra. But achieving this required religious maintenance schedules and accepting that major components would need replacement. Electric cars appear to follow a different longevity curve. Instead of sudden, catastrophic failures requiring expensive repairs, EVs experience gradual capacity reduction that still leaves them functional. Today's EV batteries are engineered to remain road-capable for 15 to 20 years with gradual range reduction rather than sudden death. Emerging solid-state battery technology promises even longer lifespans when it reaches mass production. Battery costs continue plummeting. Since 2012, prices dropped from over $400 per kilowatt-hour to $108 per kilowatt-hour by late 2025, with BEV packs averaging $99 per kilowatt-hour. Bloomberg NEF predicts further drops to $69 per kilowatt-hour by 2030. The data suggests that Tesla's million-mile Model S isn't an outlier. It's a preview of what's possible when you eliminate most mechanical complexity. With nearly 7 million Teslas on the road and an estimated 155,000 to 185,000 vehicles crossing the 8-year mark, we're beginning to see real-world longevity patterns emerge. David Savage from Geotab summarized the findings perfectly. With these higher levels of sustained health, batteries in the latest EV models will comfortably outlast the usable life of the vehicle and will likely not need to be replaced. Charlotte Argue, senior manager at Geotab, added, "EV battery health remains strong, even as vehicles are charged faster and deployed more intensively. Our latest data shows that batteries are still lasting well beyond the replacement cycles most fleets plan for. Can electric cars hit 500,000 miles without major repairs? The evidence increasingly points to yes, and they might do it more reliably than gas cars ever could. The question isn't whether EVs can match gas car longevity anymore. It's whether gas cars can keep up with what electric vehicles are achieving."
The million-mile Tesla isn't just a milestone. It's proof that we're entering an era where 500,000 miles might become the new normal, not an exception.